Why Google Chrome is not working in my laptop Windows 11? Is Google Chrome not opening or crashing on your Windows 11 laptop? Let's fix it step by step. So the first thing you can do is to force close Chrome. So go ahead and press Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard, and then this would open up Task Manager. So from here, look for Google Chrome, right click on it, and you should find the End Task button. So then relaunch Chrome after that. Another thing you can do is to restart your laptop. So to do that, click on this Windows icon at the bottom left and then select this power button and then select restart from here. So if Chrome still won't work, restart your laptop. This clears temporary glitches blocking the browser. And lastly is to check your antivirus settings. Some antivirus programs mistakenly block Chrome. Add Chrome.exe as an exception or temporarily disable antivirus to tests. And that is why Google Chrome is not working on your laptop Windows 11.